First, download Facebook Messenger for free on your phone or computer. Then visit the site that I'm going to show you today. Copy the code, then paste it into Facebook Messenger. And just like that, you'll be able to make big money. Before we start, welcome to Nuezy, where I'll share the latest news related to crypto and new finance technology. Click on the subscribe button and press the bell notification so you can be updated whenever I will upload a new video. No skills, no investment. People from all over the globe earn real cash through the daily Cash Out Today in less than 24 hours using this method. Be sure to follow all of the advice I'm going to give you in this video so that you can be successful using this method. You must first go to this site before I shared the secrets of the Facebook strategy. The site is superpaid.me. You can make an enormous amount of money every day with this innovative method that utilizes Facebook Messenger and using it in conjunction with SuperPay. So continue watching. You will learn each stage of the process. So the topic we'll be focusing on is today's SuperPay referral program. You might say that's where the magic happens. You do not have to leap through hoops. All you need to do is simply copy and paste your initial link across the internet, and voila, it'll rain money on us. It's a lot easier than people initially believe. However, before we get into details, I want to give you a glimpse of those who are earning cash every day by using this method. This list is continuously updated every 10 minutes, which means that you'll see new people and payments that are being made out to people across the globe. Let's simply scroll down and check out all the payments. There are many thousands of people who have a completely free account. I'll provide you with a variety of examples from the real life of making money online using Facebook, along with Facebook Messenger. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and sign up to the channel. Now let's go on with the content. But the first thing I'd like you to do, is simply to click this Join Free button on this button. That'll bring you to the page. It's an easy sign-up process and it's free. All you'll need to input is your email address and name, as well as your address. You can see on this page that they accept nearly everyone from any nation in the world. Therefore, it doesn't matter where you reside, so long as you're connected to the internet. You can sign up for no cost today. Simply fill in all the necessary information here, and then click on the sign up button. And it's that easy. After you've created your superpay.my account, we can proceed to the next site we'll use. This one is irazu.com. On this site, you can earn gift cards for free and cash. They have a good history of paying many cash prizes to all its members. Here's how you can sign up at no cost and begin making points by watching the video and earning. You can click the button below to get started, and it will bring you to the page that allows you to join by using either your Facebook account or email. Here's the way it appears after you log into your account on your resume. To join, just click on the button that says Refer a Friend and take an interest in this page. This is the amount I earn through Facebook when I post them there. I'll go through the process in the future in the video if you're interested, to demonstrate the templates and scripts I use. Stay with me and make sure you don't skip a single second today before registering yourself to something crazy. Take a look at the website and you're able to freely refer your friends to the site. When they sign up through your link, they'll earn 500 points, and you're also earning cash from it. As you'll see below, you could earn an incentive to refer friends that ranges from 100 to 500 points. I'm sure you're eager to find out more. Therefore, fret not. I'll show you the entire information you need in this video. All I'm asking users to do is sign into your Facebook account with either your computer or phone. Then, in your Facebook search bar, type into the search box the words "Earn Money Online." After you've completed the search, an array of results will appear. What you then need to do is select the group's icon right there so that you can remove all the groups that are on Facebook which are earning money online. The next thing is to sort the results further. We must ensure that groups will be members or posting to our public groups. Once the filter has finished its job, we're being shown all of the groups that have been set to be public. These groups do not require members to request access. This means that when you join them, you can post without restriction. As you'll see below, there are a lot of groups here that have thousands or hundreds of members and posts. You can join these groups for free. Simply click this link right here. Once you've logged in the group you're on, I'll give you an example. You can see that there are a lot of people posting links to this group. A lot of them are referral codes or referral links, much like the ones we'd like to promote. The problem is that there are so many people who have been doing this repeatedly in different Facebook groups that I would like to hear from you. Listen carefully. This is why I'm asking you to pay attention, as making this mistake is a huge mistake. This is because the majority of members just spam referral codes and links in the group. In these times, Facebook group moderators and administrators are determined to ban these individuals from their groups and kick out the members. You may be able to see what they've been going around in the wrong direction. Do you not think it's very fraudulent when people just send out links and codes as an automated machine and prevent that not happening for you? Free scripts and templates. I will share this template for free, and the script that I have used that you can download is similar to this. I've been so disappointed in my quest for ways to earn money online. It's been months and there was no way to make it be working, and I was not making any money throughout the whole time. If you begin with that, you've already got your target audience. This is important as you want them to believe that you're sincere and they'll be able to trust you and join you as you attempt ways to earn money online. When you use a phrase like this, people feel more comfortable with you and they'll be more likely to connect to you, and, consequently, they'll be more willing to take on your ideas and opinions. Whatever you've got to say now, continue with a similar statement to the following. Thank God my destiny changed in the right direction only a few days ago. Everything changed once I found this method to earn money online. It's even free. I feel what it's like to spend months searching for ways to make money. And if you require help or need some advice, please contact me directly for a one-on-one chat. I can send you a brief message that includes all the information needed to say that this method is 100% effective. You'll get a ton of clicks and referrals by using this strategy. Simply take a look and copy the script, and you'll go back to the group on Facebook, and you'll have to create a post to this group by using the script I just explained. You just need to paste it into this post's box. You can repeat the strategy and again within a multitude of Facebook groups. You can put up multiple posts per day. There are hundreds of Facebook groups you can join for free. Note that this is only the first step, because after you've put up your post, there will be many different users who will react to the post and post comments, informing you that they would like to know more about the strategy that you're discussing. The second step you're interested in is to add the people who comment on your post to your Facebook friends after you've added them. Once they've accepted your request to become friends and are now Facebook friends, you'll need to send them 2 messages you look at right now. This can be used as an illustration, so modify the information that needs to be updated. Hi Jane, a few days ago you requested more details about the top money-making app. As promised, here's a secret link to join today for no cost. There's even a $5 bonus after you sign up using this code. The code will be your referral code, and it's the Arazu website link. This is just one of a handful of websites on which you can earn commission by referring others to it. Whenever people sign up by using your link and then enter your referral code, you're earning money from that Arazu website. Next, I would like you to follow up with the second message here. If you'd like to have an additional source of income, please take a look at this site that earns money over here. The link you'll send to them will be your SuperPay referral to M website. All you need to do is send out these 2 messages to anyone who interacts with your posts in your Facebook group, and you'll get lots of referrals free. Simply highlight the messages, copy the messages, and forward them to everyone interested in Facebook Messenger. This is something you could try in the long run, so just be careful about not getting banned or exiled from Facebook groups. Just continue to do it, and the cash will rule your life for the rest of your life. This is how it's been funded. Make sure you sign up for the channel, then press the notification bell. Click the like button. I'll be back in the next video.